There's a combination of tools to allow you to make really cool animated book covers, and I wanted to tell you about those tools. So you just saw a love story. This is more of a thriller novel one. I really like the dripping on this from the book cover. I like the movement, graphics, and details of this one. Here's another for the romance novel. It's cool to make book covers and movie trailers like this. One tool is called Ideogram. It's a image generator. It's really good at images. It's really good at text. And I'm going to scroll through the community images so that you get an idea of all the different things that you can do. You can make all kinds of graphics with this, but I love making blog graphics. I love making book covers with this. So I use Ideogram. You can use Midjourney, some whatever works for you to get a great image for your book cover, but also with text. I found that ideogram.ai is the best.
You can make really cool book covers with this tool. I'm just going to scroll through here to show you some of the options. Some are definitely going to be better than others. It depends on the prompt that you use. I'll show you the prompts that got me the best results. They're better than a lot of covers that I've seen out there. Honestly, definitely some are better than others. Every time you use Ideogram, you'll get 4 versions of a book cover. Here's a romance novel. I think these are pretty good. Not the best, but okay. Let's keep going. This one I like, but the words definitely have to be changed. Hammer and nail. I thought this was kind of cool. Down here, dry. I actually used an image that somebody else created and redid it in my own way, but I thought this one was really cool. All right, let's keep going. This one was probably my favorite. This is a made up book, 4-Hour Wizard. Red House. You saw that earlier in the different kinds of versions that I got. I think this is the one that I picked that I like the best because you're not always going to get the best one that you want. Let me show you the prompt that I use. Find an image that you like from somebody else. You can see the prompt that they use by just clicking into their image. But this is the one that I used. I'll put this in the description of the video so you can see that too. Thriller book cover image for the book title. You want to put the book title there. It's really good with spelling. You put your author's name, talk about anything specifically in the image that you really want. And I found out that Ideogram is really good at doing this. So check out their prompt, but this is how I create the actual book image.
Then you take the image that you generate from there, and then you take it over into a AI video maker. You can just plug in your image right there, ask for a little movement. I'll show you the exact script I'm using. Add slight motion and realistic effects to this book image. I give some examples based on what's in the image itself. Snow falling, branches swaying in the wind, and characters typing on typewriters. I've had trouble with nonfiction books. I think it really matters what you have on the book cover. So if you have more on the book cover, more graphics, then I think it's going to do better for you. Not all of them come out. This one isn't bad, but it does some weird stuff like lightning to that splash. I think this one is just a random explosion, which is cool, but not exactly what I wanted. You're not going to get exactly what you want every time, but it can do cool stuff by animating images. This is a woman eating a skull that turns out to be cake. That one looks pretty realistic. You can do this with all sorts of other things. It's not what I thought was going to happen, but sometimes that's when you get the best ideas. The 2 tools are an AI image generator like Ideogram, and then another image generator. You can also use something like Minimax. You can use Runway. There's all kinds of different ones that you can do. You can animate all kinds of images, which is actually pretty cool. You can make book cover images that are animated. You can make book trailers for when you're promoting your books. There's a lot of cool things that you can do with these tools, and I wanted to share them with you. If you like this, I have other videos on my channel about AI tools and writing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.